Hello boys and girls, I'd like to show off this new 2800 milliamp 35C burst 11 volt battery from Hong Kong. Bought it on eBay for $15, 20 bucks they go for. Took about 14 days to get here, but for the price it's worth the wait. And I believe my ESC and motor and everything will be suffice. Hopefully it won't puff up or anything like that. We're going to try it out and test it and check our theory. Thanks for watching again, everybody. And what's up there, Doc Audio and Lipo Session and Heli 770 and the rest of my boys out there, y'all. Yes. Here we go.